And welcome back to my channel. This is Bevy Baby Doll, and I am back with another wig review. So I was online, of course y'all like her. I was online and I'm just falling in love with my wigs. So I found another wig by Joedir that I wanted to share with you guys, and she is just absolutely gorgeous. I'm gonna open her. I already opened the box and looked at it. I normally would do an unboxing, but I already opened the box. I didn't take her out of this box yet, so I'm going to do that with you guys. So her name is Gianna. She is an ombre blonde wig, okay? And she was $44.99 on Amazon, of course. And she's 130 density is what she is. This is her. Look how pretty she is. That honey blonde. And she comes in a range of different colors. Like this is a honey blonde. Then there's a blonde, then there's like a white blonde, I think. And it's ombre. Then you have like a natural 4. Then you have a burgundy. You even have orange. This hair is just absolutely gorgeous, okay? She's 30 inches long, okay, and she is so soft. I'm going to try her on. Let me put this here. I'm going to try her on for you guys, but first, I just want to know if you like my little short tipsy hair. I picked her up on a random when I was out and about before, you know, all the looting started again, but I thought she was cute because I didn't have anything short and sassy, so I said, let me pick her up. See how she looks. And I'm kind of like filming her. She's cute. So anyway, before I try on this Gianna for you, let's talk about some of the stuff that I bought yesterday while I was out and about. Because, of course, you guys all know that I'm on a hair journey. And I decided to try one product while I'm on this hair journey so that I can tell what is actually helping my hair. So, one product line, shall I say, as far as like my shampoos, okay? Not as far as my cream and clusters, because I use like different stuff for that. And I'm going to share that too. So, while I was out, I picked up the TGIN, thank God, it's Natural Miracle Repair Strengthening Shampoo. And I also picked up the leave-in conditioner because I love the hair mask. The hair mask is absolutely divine. I love that hair mask. I use that hair mask every other hair wash when I'm, you know, not using my avocado mask. I don't know why I had to do that, but I kind of like lost my thought. But when I'm not using my avocado mask or either my molasses mask, I use my TGIN deep conditioning hair mask, because that is a deep conditioner, and also it's the avocado and the molasses. Those are all deep conditioners, okay? And of course, I always follow up with a good leave-in, what have you. And of course, you know I use this. My African Pride Curling Cluster Cream with the Flaxseed, okay? And the Shea butter. This works wonders on my hair, so I'm going to be continuously using this, which I had a hard time finding. I don't know what it is, but anyway. So I picked up some hair gummies as well, okay? I've been using hair vitamins on and off, but I never was consistent. So I picked these up, and these are, let's see, they're 90 count. They're 90% organic. Get that, 90% organic hair, skin, and nails gummies. They were $13.99. Got them from the CVS. They are vegetarian, gelatin-free, non-GMO, and, you know, a whole bunch of other great stuff. So I'll put that stuff up on the screen for you guys. But like I said, I will be using these products in my hair journey, and I am loving my wig. So let's get into trying on Gianna here. We're going to try it on. I'm just flopping her around. I need to cut the lace in the front. She is lace, but she's not full lace. Okay, so let me show you this before I even do that. So she's like, that's it. You see that? It's not full lace. It's a part. And of course, as you can see, I always wear my wigs to the side because I like my hair off to the side of my face. I don't like my hair in the middle. So you can wear this in the middle, to your left or to your right. Depends on how you want to wear it, sis. Do whatever you want. But I'm going to try her on for you guys. And I'm going to come back out and cut this stuff off. And I will be back in 1.2 seconds. Okay, guys, I am back. And I'm telling you, wigs really, really, really change your appearance. Okay? Because I'm looking at this wig and the one previous. And I'm like, okay. I look a little different with her. I like her. I'm loving her wave pattern. Her wave pattern is off the hook, okay? She's gorgeous. She reminds me of when I used to basically wear my braids. Like, you can take her and put her up. I mean, she'll be cute either way you wear her. But she reminds me of my braids because when I would wear my hair in braids, I normally would wear like a curly pattern long like this. So she reminds me of my braids. She is gorgeous. Gianna is just like rocking it. I'm loving the color. She's sassy. She's light. Okay. She's tangle free. I can run my fingers through her. She's gorgeous. So guys, if you want a gorgeous, gorgeous wig, you got to go on Amazon. You have to like take your chances because in the beginning I was afraid to like buy a wig online. I was like, that wig gonna look crazy because I have gone into stores and literally tried on wigs and they look absolutely hideous. I don't know why, but since I've been shopping on Amazon for my wigs, I've been finding like absolutely gorgeous wigs. They just look gorgeous. They lay and they last. I can tell you this, they really do last. I think she's going to be one that I may order again in a darker color, like maybe a auburn because she's a honey blonde. But I might do an auburn with her. I think the price point is reasonable at $44.99. What can I say? Don't sleep on these synthetic wigs, honey. Don't sleep on them, okay? Because they're gorgeous, okay? And you know what? I could just see me going outside and her flowing, okay? And the fit of this wig is absolutely awesome, okay? I don't have any glue or anything on her. I just put her on and she's fitting. Like, she's fitting, like, really nice and snug. I don't feel like if I was to go out that she would fall off. And I don't have no pins or anything in her. You know, she does have combs in her if you want to put the combs in. But I don't even have the combs actually in my hair. I just have it on. And it feels nice and snug. Okay, guys? So that is all I have for today. Guys, just stay safe. Okay? Remember to vote. Okay, and always, as I always like to say, like, comment, and subscribe. Also, share this video. I am trying to get me some followers. It's so hard obtaining followers, but I'm trying, guys. So I'm trying to keep up with my content, put out something that's interesting. If, you know, a lot of people don't find some people's stuff interesting, but I hope that the content that I'm sharing is interesting to you guys. All right, guys, so I have to go. I'm going to go and play around with her and put some pins up, like, you know, try to, like, give me some style with her. But that's what I'm going to do with her. And tell me what you think. Leave a comment down. You know, drop a comment down below. I will also leave in the description box all of the information I share as far as my shampoos and my curling cluster cream. And also, oh, one thing before I go. I got one more thing. Oh, because my hair has been itching. I got this tea tree oil. 100% tea tree oil off of Amazon because I couldn't find tea tree oil anywhere. Okay, and it was only $8.99. So I'll also put that down in the description box before I just wanted to share that before I left too. I don't know how I forgot to share that. Anyway, so let me go, and like I said, like, comment, and subscribe, and also share. All right, guys, it's been great talking to you, and I will see you in the next video. Yes, I will. Bye, guys.